In this video, let us understand how to make Jobs Arts website. So it's a web application project. Here we learn how to make this project using ASP.NET with C# backend SQL Server. But not limited to this technology, but still you can develop in PHP or Python or JSP. So all possible because it's a web application. So here we need to learn how to post the ad. And then how the user can view the ad and then apply for it. Once they apply, again the client has to select the applicant. It's totally advertisement website. So let's understand what are the modules are required for this project and what are the options should be there in each module. So classified ads are job posting. So this is a company, let's say admin, so who owns this company. They'll provide the client, so our companies to post the advertisement, and there is an applicant here. So applicant can apply for the job. So three module, one is admin module, client module, applicant module. So in case of admin module, so we'll provide all the basic entries. For example, qualifications of the applicant, qualification, and then city, which city. Then here when the client sign up, so the client list will come here. Then when the job they post the job, so there is a job list. Then the applicant list, overall applicant sign up, so we can able to see the applicant. Therefore this is the applicant set. So these are the options which is provided in admin. So therefore admin have a good control on the rest of the two modules, so you can able to view what are the activities taken place. Now the client is concerned, they can sign up, they can log in, they'll go to main page. Here the options are provided to them, so they can post jobs. So what are the jobs available with the company, they can post the job. Then view applicant list, then selection, then the selection list. Now in order to select this, so the applicant has to apply for it. So therefore again applicant sign up, so they can log in, they'll go to main page, then view jobs, then apply, then there is a view message. So if selected, the message will come to them, so therefore there is a view message here. So these are the options which is required, so you have to make basic level project. So if you're doing a computer science course and you need to do a project, I think this is how you can plan it, and then you have to do it and you need to explain it actually. So therefore you have to convince the teacher how the whole concept works and what are the work you have done. So even in order to make this project itself will take at least some time, maybe around 15 to 20 days, and depends on your capabilities to the technology, what technology, how much you know it. For example, in order to make a login page, you should know the select statement, you should know how to create the table, you should know how to communicate with the database, retrieve the table from the table. So all you should know so if you know all these things, then easy to do the complete project. But keep try step by step, so it's possible. In our channel we have different videos, so watch them too. Now let's start with the demo. So I'll show the demo how the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And also for more project details, you right click on iBlix tutorials and go to new tab, or else just click on the iBlix tutorials, so it will open here only. And then if you go to new tab, so here you can see a lot of project videos. So if you watch some videos, so then you get a clear picture how exactly you need to do the project. So then you can choose any one project from the list, or you can plan for something else also. Then you get an idea what are the things you can add up into the project. And not only for your curriculum, but for jobs also. To get an experience, you select any one project and then start doing it. So day by day you will improve yourself. So once your project is ready in your laptop, you could be able to demonstrate in the interview time. That will give you a much more mileage than without nothing. So therefore you always practice, learn, improve yourself. Let's come back to this project. Here we have Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio 2019. It's a community edition, free edition. So here we have a file. So these are the files which are using in the project, and these are the tables which are using in the project. First we'll take to the admin main page. So if I click admin main page, here are the options. So you can enter the city names and you can see the list, categories, corresponding list, qualification, corresponding list, FAQ, if frequently asked questions, and the corresponding list, and arts list. Arts means what are the arts posted, that list we can view it here, and then log out. Now if you go to client, so this is the client main page. Here you can post the new job, listed job, what are the already listed, candidate list, then selection, then send message. So if you go to applicant or candidate, so this is the main page. So view the jobs and then send we can view the message, and I can also see the FAQ list. Now let's see that I will run the project. Yeah, I'll come to main page. So from here I'll take to next page. Sorry, wait. So I have to change this picture, okay. Yeah, this top picture changed. So here is admin login, so we can go to admin, then admin. So as I told already, here are the options list. So there are some cities already listed here. Categories, manager, software developer. So then qualifications, different qualifications already entered here, and FAQ list. So this is the FAQ list, and art list. Okay, what is the arts already posted, that list will be there. Now what we can do is we can copy this and then we can go to one more tab. So here we can again enter, and then we can go as a client login. So we have to log in as a client here. So once you go there, you can enter the new job. What is the job code? So here is city name and job. Okay, software developer. Right. So this is software developer slash 2021. Then C#. So that is the code, and the job name software developer C#, and the job detail. So 2-year experienced developer. So you can write more detail about this here, and then city name and qualification required, let's say MCA. Salary details, so it's 1 lakh rupees per month. Experience required 2 years. So it'll create a job, so one job is created. So listed job list, so therefore it's listed here. Then candidate list. Okay, so there are no candidates now, it's a new job. So we'll go as a candidate and then we'll apply. So here you need to sign up first, fill all the details, sign up. Then you have to go to applicant login. So then we can view the jobs, and then Bangalore, search for it. So then you can select this job. So then you can apply for this post. So here is the applicant name, and then address. So you can complete the address here, and then you have to enter the mobile number. So then the email ID. Then here is the qualifications, and here is the experience. So 5-year experience as software developer. Okay, so in order to enhance this, probably you can provide one more file upload option. So there you can upload the biodata or resume. Right. So now from this side you can see the candidate list. So here is the program. So here there is one applicant. Then you have a selections here. So if you select this particular post, so you can select. So candidate is selected, and probably you have to get the message. So you are selected for the particular post. So then FAQ list. So you can watch the FAQ list, and this side. So in other messages you want to send, for whom you want to send the message, we can send here. So therefore 3 modules. One is admin module, client module, and the applicant modules. So where you can have multiple clients. Okay, there are many companies can sign up and they can keep post, and like same way there are many applicants, so they can view the ads and they can apply it. So a good startup idea. So you have to enhance this and keep on improving on day-to-day basis. Therefore, you can reach almost all the kind of companies, and then you can reach almost all kind of applicants. So in that case, like no day-to-day basis, your site will grow, and you can generate money from this. Fine, but anyway, we concentrating on the curriculum. So for your project, for as per your course project is concerned, this will do the job. Keep try this, and if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having, and if you have any doubt, we'll cover in the next videos. Okay, thank you.